Hi, I'm doing another food product review for you today. This time about these Thunderkids apple pie bars. 5 bars in a pack. I've never tried them before, but I've had other Thunderbird energy bars and I really like them. Some not as much as others, but let's test these, okay? For kids. It says Thunderkids real food bars for superheroes in training. No added sugar, fruits, nuts, seeds, spices, and nothing else. Vegan and gluten free. Let me show you. There's a little seal on the box, which is neat. And on the bottom it looks like this. You see? On the top there's a seal. I have my scissors. Hold on just a sec. I always like to use my little peacock bone scissors for jobs like this. Looks like just the right size. And what do they say in America? As American as apple pie. I love apple pie. You can peel it open like this. Oh, that's what it looks like. I would hope that it's soft for kids so they don't break their teeth. I think it smells more like raisins more than apples and cinnamon. I haven't even checked out the ingredients when I bought it. I did, but I don't remember. But cinnamon. Ingredients: dates, apples, pecans, almonds, pineapple, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Warning: may contain nutshells, pieces, or pits manufactured in a facility that processes tree nuts, peanuts, dairy, and fish. I'll show you the nutrition facts, but right now I'm eager to take a bite of this Thunderkids apple pie bar. Non-GMO verified, certified, gluten-free, created in Austin, Texas. Let's have a taste test. Definitely dates. It doesn't have raisins in it. I was mistaken. Now I do taste the apples. Pineapples too. Let me show you the nutrition facts. Serving size. Serving size 1 bar. Calories 109. Calories from fat 38. Total fat 4 gram. Saturated fat 0 gram. Trans fat 0 gram. Cholesterol 0 milligram. Sodium 8 milligram. Total carbohydrate 20 gram. Dietary fiber 3 gram and sugar 16 gram. And protein 2 gram. And this is pretty neat. There's a game kids can play on the back of the box. Pretty neat. It says right here, best by 4/24/2019. And today is only August 2018. But they will be gone by then. Not by a kid, by an adult. By me and my husband. Yay! I hope you enjoyed another food product review from me today. Let's see, yes, there are 5 in there. Yep, 5 in there. Yeah. Thunderkids. Till next time. I hope till soon. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Bye.